Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 3 and I'm gonna show you how to start the workout on this watch. First, let's wake up the screen, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After that, you should see the current watch face, the home screen. And if you see it, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Scroll through the menu, find the workout icon, and you can tap on it to open the workout menu. And here we have the list of workouts. As you can see, there's quite a few. You can find the workout you want to start. For example, let's say outdoor run, and then tap on it. And here the watch will try to locate your location, basically get the signal from the GPS. It's useful for the tracking your route, for example, on the map. Another thing you can do before you start the workout, you can swipe up on the screen to start the warm-up. If you tap right here, it will start the warm-up, and you can go through it. It takes, I believe, a couple minutes, and once you're done, you can go back and start the workout itself. And to start the workout, if you're on this page, press the lower button next to the go. Here we have information that it's still looking for the GPS signal. I'm just gonna tap on start.
Workout started.
You will probably hear the message saying workout started. And here we have the information during our workout. We have the heart rate, pace, distance, duration. We can also scroll down to see the steps, cadence, calories, and distance, heart rate, the AI, I believe it's like a average pace, but I believe you can basically kinda race with the ghost or AI to see to improve your basically stats. And here we have the intensity of our training, stress, and here we have the location tracking, but it's not available because it doesn't want to connect to the GPS. If you're on this first page of the workout, you can also press and hold on the data to customize it, and you can tap, let's say, on this. Oh my bad. Come on. Tap on the window. It will show this menu, and here you can basically select different type of data to display, for example, calories, like this. Another thing we can do is to press the crown button, and this pauses the workout. And here we have a couple options like resume, stop, change the volume of the broadcast, and lock the screen. And I believe that's about all. So to stop your workout, you can press the button, tap on pause, stop, and tap on the check mark to confirm. And then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. Another way to open the workout menu, besides the going to menu and pressing the workout, is to press the lower button on the home screen, this one, because this is the default shortcut, and it should open the workout menu for you automatically. If it's not working, you can open the menu, go to settings, find the option called down button, tap on it, and here you can select the workout. Once you select the workout, it will basically open the workout for you when you press the lower button. Okay, and that's how you start the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.